Well, you talk about the bond markets. Tell us a little bit about that. Historically, we've had the Medici, the Bedforders, the Rothschilds. How's it different today?
Well, today we talk about, you often hear this in Europe, bond market vigilantes. I don't know if you know that. I mean, we don't know who our bankers are so well today. I mean, we mentioned China, of course, before, but you know, take the recent crisis. I don't know. My favorite book. I've read 8 or 10 of the books about the financial crisis of the last few years, but my favorite one is The Big Short by Michael Lewis. I don't know if you read it, but he talks there about the hedge funds that they created these debt instruments, and then the handful of hedge funds and analysts who figured out that the market was tanking, and then they sold them short and made huge amounts of money, but in the process brought down the whole system, and so everybody suffered. So the new players in the bond, you know, who are the bond market vigilantes today? This is really meant, I want to make a more interesting point. We often hear, well, the bond markets are relentless, they're vigilantes and everything, but who are these players? You know, a lot of them are people who manage our 401ks and our pension systems and our retirement systems and our personal savings. I mean, we put our money into these big investment funds to save, and they have diverse portfolios, but they're not only investing in long term, but they're also playing the market and investing in short term. So there are, you know, who is the enemy here? Who are the bankers? It's us. It's our system. I don't think we, you know, can repeal that system, or maybe I don't know that we want to, but I think that what the goal of the new financial reforms that were passed last year in Congress is to avoid the rampant speculation that is fueled by leverage, so that people are placing bets on the market by borrowing, some cases, what used to be a 10 to 1, but now 30 or 40 or 50 to 1 on the amount of money when they place the bets. And that can wipe out the investment if the market jiggles, you know, downward a little bit. And I think we need to inject, I think it was a good idea to inject more controls to avoid the excesses of the speculation of these bond market speculators that helped to create the crisis that occurred that blew up one weekend in mid-September of 2008.